It's January the 26th at 10:12 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. When it rains kind of like cats and dogs, you know, there's LB, there's John Wayne, there's Timothy McGee. So that shows you about, when it rains, you look farther up. See, so I want to show you my sponsor here. Well, not a paid sponsor. It's Pepsi Zero Sugar. There's a CB radio, the Cobra 29. And you hear me talk about OVO. They help you out on your electric bill. There's my insurance and health coverage. All right. Here's the stove that, I was hoping I'd get 50 to 100,000, but time I pay everybody off, I get 1,000. So there's my old ice box. I think it's Lowe's or Home Depot supposed to took it. But hell, them assholes didn't. Here's some of it. I cleaned up a little bit, took some trash out. So I'll show you where I took the trash out. See, that's where I take it and dump it. So there's I-65 over in that direction. So there's my old chicken coop. And I got that real small square wart on top. That seemed to work. But you live out in the country like I do, you got to worry about those raccoons. There's some more wood that blowed over, and thanks to the guy who owns that west side property in the back 40, I showed you that tree I want to give away to people who needs firewood, but everybody, well, you cut it up, you split it, you haul it. I said, how's that free? I got medical problems. There's things I can't do. And, I do a little bit what the Lord lets me do. If I had a bigger shed outside, this I'm going to have to put in my trunk and a couple other bags. It's like steel cans. So there's some Pepsi Zero cans here. There's my Mr. Clean that I use to clean. There's LB. That's one of Mama Blackie's babies that she brought over. So this is going to be a short video. I just want to give you an update. I showed you if it rained cats and dogs, but usually if it really rains real hard, you thought that little swimming pool I got out there in my west side yard, it'd be worse. That's one I was hoping for, to get at least $100,000. But what, John Wayne? Can you say hi to everybody, John Wayne? his sister, Patty, that was named after one of my daughters. I got a cat named Gina after my daughter. And I got a cat in there called Alex after one of my daughters. But like I say, that's small to compare, because usually when it rains real hard, it's over there, it's up here. You know, probably have to wait until summertime. So God bless you. Hit the subscribe bell and hit it again where you get all notifications. Hit the thumbs up. To donate, Tom Cartwright, 4375, Post Office Box number 1, Charlestown, Indiana, 47111. God bless you. Have a great Sunday day.